Bakit po ganun na lang kalaki ang itinaas ng overnight parking fees? Hindi lamang ho, bakit ho hindi naging 100% na lamang or even less?
Yes, ma'am. Before I answer that, no, I hope I'm allowed to explain a bit.
Go ahead,
no?
sir.
When it comes to our parking fees, it has two aspects. No? Yung first 2 hours po nito, it's classified as regulated rates. And being a regulated rate, it's still controlled by MIA. No? As you are aware, we are in a concession agreement with NNIC. And based on the concession agreement naman, ito pong after the first 2 hours ng vehicle parking, this now becomes a non-regulated rate and it's now in the control of the concessionaire. So the determination of the overnight parking from 300 to 1,200 was actually done by the private concessionaire po.
Okay. So gaano na ho katagal yung naging problema na yung marami ho nakikipark kahit hindi naman ho sa NAIA nagpupunta?
Well, I think that has been studied over a few months ago. No? There has been studies as to the determination of these rates. And that's one observation, no? Because the establishments around our airport are charging around, I think, before mga 1,000 pesos overnight, no, as compared to 300 pesos at the time, no, which was being charged by our parking facility. And that being the case, marami pong mga patrons ng establishments ito would opt to park in NAIA instead of yung sa establishments talaga. And noticeably, no, when this was implemented by NNIC October 1, I went around our parking facilities and noticeably po, marami po naging available parking slots sa ating facilities.
Okay. So bukod ho sa parking fee, nakatakda rin hong itaas ang terminal fee sa NAIA sa susunod na taon. Makatarungan din ho ba ang magiging bagong rates para sa mga biyahero?
Ito pong passenger service charges, it will be implemented September of 2025. For domestic, from 200, it will be increased to 390. For international, from 500, it will be increased to 950 naman po.
Okay, so maraming salamat po, Attorney Chris Bendijo, spokesperson ng MIAA.